Our Brandon de man, our Brandon de. Come on, the man Brandon, man, no ya take so long for forward. Chano star, I really no want them doing mother not Nila. Sure, Brandon, oh yeah, there's so long. Hello, Auda coming for the door.
You actually, I mean, Brandon.
See the thing they over this I put on. Just hurry up and carry go back up at GeeGuh. Please, but not one of them day mother no.
Yeah, man, I made a deal with right, you know, Star General Star Ashley. Thanks, yeah? Thanks.
Yo, bro. And that boy Brandon that. Why my look so? You look edgy, bad man. No man, something not right with Brandon none at all, man. How I go on? Why him look so?
Nah, man, I ask man, Brandon, good man. I ask man, put a foot in a man's shoes for a minute. Man, remember say man just get released out of jail, and then you wouldn't feel some type of way if I did you and you hear police siren again. Remember say I garrison this, you know, and get a youth always GeeGuh a certain type of way when time then say police. Yeah, abandon that, man. Abandon good, man. Don't worry yourself.
Nah, man, bro. Remember, good in a man. And many of me man picking you know. My experience in the street, you know, I know when time something wrong with a youth, you know. Brandon no looks right at all, man. Trust me, Brandon no looks right. Yo, Brandon, yo, don't move, Brandon, don't move, come here.
Yes, officer, me nah move, officer. Officer, me, no, officer, me, man, a Brandon, officer, please, officer, no shoot, officer, please.
You know, Star Squad, you know, say you make the youth piece up him pants, Star. Yo, here I go on Officer Pete. Just make me deal with it. Let me just calm him down a little bit, car. Yo, you can't see you genuinely scared, Star. Let me deal with it.
Alright, so I deal with it, but me nah take my gun off of this boy, you know, cause me I tell you, brother, something right with him.
Yo, Brandon, calm down, man. Calm down. Chill. You can't put on your hand, them, man. Where you going? Where you go? What that you have in your bag, the Brandon?
Officer, you know, sir, I run my mother me a officer. I run my mother me a officer. And I'm a jail close them, officer. I'm a jail close them having my bag, officer. I'm a jail close them. She tell myself to carry them, come gear me to wash them out. Cause I don't know through them in a jail cell, they not smell us right, officer. So I'm a jail close them have them backpack and I me a carry the around my mother, officer. Officer, I just not want no more problem, officer. I know I seem kind of judgy still and you probably suspect so something wrong, but officer, I just come out of jail, officer. I just want to just go through the day, yeah, and pack up my little things them day before, the day after tomorrow, I mean, officer, and just go on to Canada for my little work program. I just that in, officer. I just afraid. I just not want to catch no more trouble again, officer. Me not suspicious. Me not going with no, me not much in my bag. Officer, I can take off all the bag and show you. I the little thinking dirty jail toes them and the little frozy underpants them in the officer. At that alone in the officer. Officer, believe me, officer. Officer, believe me, please. Me nah do not. Me nah go. I don't know. Brandon, officer. Me a good youth, officer. Please, officer.
So, Officer Pick, you want to search him bag? You want to search and check through the frozy underpants that we saying having there? I don't know about you, but me don't. Me nah check nothing, you know. So, if you want to check that, you know, head the by your wood. Me nah touch no boy frozy underpants with my nice clean on an idea. No, sir. Cause me a boy, I got my yard in time me done and me I use my hand and my chicken leg and me want to lick my finger. Can you imagine? You had to lick your finger, you just remember see you did touch Brandon like a frozy and that. No, sir. Me not touch it. Me not searching nothing. So Officer Pick, if you want to deal with it, go and go deal with it, sir.
You boy Brandon, you get to this time, man. I get to this time, don't worry yourself. My eyes the pine still. I just know say something not straight about it still, you know. Everybody else have your eyes a seeing, you know. But I just feel it in my gut, say something not straight to them, not talk about. Go wash for you go, man. Go you go. Go and go wash and lick a frozy underpants them as we say. Go on.
Officer, thanks, yeah, officer. Officer, thanks. General Star.
I don't know still in a brown, but I know about, I don't know, a good feeling just telling me say something that's truth with Brandon in the idea. Yeah. Trust me, but I don't make that one a slide still. Cause, I don't know, you're probably right.
Yeah, man, I say it go more time, man. Sometimes the little hunch them might wrong still. Cause as me always telling you still, you know, Brandon a good youth, man. Brandon a good youth.
You know, star coming like a me Buju Bantan did sing that song. If I went time him do the song, say, I have a close one yesterday. Jah put an angel over me, be strong. Say, full of firm meditation. One day things must get better. Trust me, coming like a me Buju sing both star. Cause Jaja literally put an angel over me. I don't know how me walk out of this one about yo. I forgive back my brother here, him cross is gone. I forgive him back the cross is gone. Hey, what do you know? Yeah, what's up in a star? I remember when time the youth say yo, you see an illegal gun, it come with a destiny pan it, you know. And I saw enough youth like me all the way innocent and a good you get yourself caught up in the things. And next thing we're not dead because we have the gun with the curse. So the destiny where gun come with, I got definitely be free. And I forget to read that this quick and fast, man. Let me go give the boy General Star. And if you go give GeeGuh back in shop, because I don't know how me even reach to this. Judge of God.
Oh yeah. With friends like these, who needs enemies? Never saw it coming, not from you. We were closer than blood, yeah, I thought it was true. Shared every secret, every scar, every dream. Now I'm questioning what any of it means. You were family and all, but name. Now every memory soaked in shame. Swore you stand by me through anything. Didn't know betrayal's what you'd bring. You played your part so perfectly, but behind my back you were rewriting me. Yeah. With friends like these, who needs enemies? You took it all so easily, a brother in soul, but that ghost in me.
Yo, Jovi, you ready for go deal with the matters? Cause you don't know how you have to go put the can on the little old lady here, you know. You don't make no dopey yet, none at all in your badness, so you have to go take a little small bat here and flick it, you see it? General say Brandon, mama for dead. I just saw things that me really don't want to deal with it still in about. Is it that she are my own right now? Is it that she not my own? So yo, bad Jovi, put on your mask and make you just go deal with that dirt. Make a kick in the door and you just step in and just bullet her up. And we just fly out at the same time, quick and fast, and go back power lines like nothing ever happened. You understand, Jovi?
Where you say, man, my general, man, and tool, man, ready. Gun well lock and load. A bullet overload for the whole man in idea. Kick in the door, my boss. Yo, man, where you there? And you will come find hold man. Where you there? Yo, my general, I don't see the whole man now, please, man. You hear nobody, you hear no footstep, you hear nothing at all, you hear no little rattling. Nah, I hear the whole woman at all. I wonder if she there.
That me day I wonder too, you know, juvenile. I look around in your bedroom, I go look around in your bathroom part, they say if you see her, and if you see her, I don't know, just do the dirt and make we leave.
My general, no say far to me, I deal with it. Yo, I told my general, I know, I said, I look around there, I said, nobody at all look like the old 70 star, look like the old woman leave out or something. You know, see her. So we are doing my boss. We are upon my general. Cause right you know, my trigger feeling that whole I jump, you know, I just want to slap with that quick and fast, you know. So here we go on. I could just ransack the place and dirty it up and yo, we have to send a message somewhere, somehow, but I don't know my boss. She not there.
You know, star, you know, say I'm glad in our way, but I'm sad in our way too because I know say this a piss off the general right, you know, no. Cause when the general say dirt, dirt. But when I see her then, what we do? I could just ransack the place and just left it so when time she come, a message was sent.
Me love the police empress like a fresh vegetable. And me know she love the natty cause him rebel. Rasta man there go and prepare the eye self go up on like a dinner date there with the police empress. Yes I wonder how the eye they just the eye when they ever two want put on a turban pan the eye head still me Rasta. Cause the eye just want look article. The eye just want the police empress for just relax. The eye just want she for just looking at the eye. Yes I wonder if the police empress ready for herself to come meet the eye. Cause the eye ready in the Rasta. The eye ready for go meet the police empress. But the eye don't know if the police empress is ready for meet the eye. So you make the eye just give the police empress a one ring.
Hello? Hey, does this please? What's this?
Yo, my police empress, the Rasta man aya. The eye just a check with the empress to see if the empress ready for meet up with the eye up a motor restaurant aya. Talk to me the empress. The eye ready?
Oh, Rasta man, yeah, me ready, Rasta man. Away I do ya come pick me up? Or what, I'm if you just go a Uber and meet you up there. What you want me do? Talk to me.
No, empress, you know, say the eye wish the eye did have a little chance speed could come pick up the empress do Rasta. But the eye only have a little icicle Rasta, so the empress have to go just hold a Uber and meet the Rasta man up a motor. Yes, I.
Ray! What you say, Rasta about young lava icicle? The last time I check icicle, I sent him a while like a pitney we more time. Is a bicycle Rasta man.
Yes, I, the eye have a icicle. Babylon say bicycle, but the eye say icicle Rasta. Yes, I. So just me, the eye up a motor in a few. Alright? Sipe, see a little more empress.
We not lie. The Rasta, ya boy, never a dull moment to the Rasta. Rasta need to up and come in the bus.
So how the eye go reach up all motor restaurant in our Rasta? Look like the eye have to go jump on a public transport Rasta. But you know that might take too long and the eye no want to have the empress wait on the eye. So you what the eye go do? The eye go just call that like a taxi guy and have that taxi guy transport the eye to go meet the empress. Yes, I.
Community can be at your service. How may I be of assistance to you now, Rasta man? How go on? Your bicycle puncher? How? You want me come pick you from a location and bring you to a bicycle shop?
No, I had the icicle well park up in front of the house. The icicle well safe and sound. The want the eye come and pick up the eye. If you bring the eye go up and mount upon a date Rasta. Yes, I. So you available cabby. You need to come pick up the Rasta right now, Rasta.
How way I say natty? You go up on a date with that little catty. Yes, Rasta man. I say a old man me dey pa my will come pick you up now.
Yes, I cooler eye. Rasta the right as I wait pon the eye for forward. Yes, I.
But you see me there and trial people. For look here. All the Rasta get girl, Rasta go pan date with woman. Then now what could have wrong with me? At which church then you say me she didn't make me carry it a girl? No sir. This serious. Me have to go step up my game and all because if the natty can't get a catty, then I will go on with me.
Hello? Hello? General, I'm me, Brandon.
Hello, I'm me, Brandon, no? Brandon, what my things there?
Yeah, man, General, you know that me I call about my boss. That me I call about my boss. Me there so out on the front, but me never see the little juvenile or tool them now. Nobody at all out on the front, so I just a call if I find out if me can just come round pan the ends, come give a link and make you get back the thing right, you know. Cause me have it for me, man. Me the right out on the front right, you know.
Yeah, man, just forward around pan the black, man. Me the same place which pa you always come like me. So just forward.
Yeah, man, my boss. Me bring back a tool I come give you. Same way like how me get to my boss. Everything copacetic, everything intact. Nothing at all. And we never drop a ground, my boss. Clean as a whistle. Just like how you give me it.
Yeah, man. It look like it alright, yes. Look like it alright. But guess what now, Brandon? You're a little bit too late to this trap. Cause me send them boy if you go do the dirt by your mother already. Right now. Feel like you need to plan a one funeral still, cause pretty sure say your man are dead. You see it? Till you say me ain't a joke in a youth. And you take this thing for ramping business. Now, boo in front of me. Boo and go bury you dead.
Well, you really just said to me a while ago, my general. My mother do what? But I say I have a joke here, man. I must prank this guy. You can't see you as none at all, my general. You send a tool and a juvie figure do what, my mother, my boss? GeeGuh no star, bossy. Lassie. GeeGuh no star, my general. My mother, bossy. GeeGuh no star. Bossy. Tell me say a joke here on my general. The boss. Please. Tell me say a joke here on my boss. Can't deal with this. GeeGuh no star, my general. GeeGuh no star.
Then you really feel like she had the joke business made up with the Brandon. You did really feel like she had pram push thing a going over here, so. A badness hit me and Brandon, and from a tell you a thing, my strap should have there right away without delay. From a jump out, me don't tell her that, you know. And you feel like she a joke business. As me say, go and go bury you dead.
Alright, GeeGuh, hear you. Hear you loud and clear, man, GeeGuh. One thing me I tell you. Better arrest a gun there me head, right? Yes, and just done me to you and just call it a day, you know. Cause you say, anything do my mother. If I try in a year hurt by my mother head, remember me tell her, GeeGuh, look pa me good when time me I tell her this to your face. You create a monster. Anyhow my mother get hurt. So me I go left your place, GeeGuh. Me I left your place. And I gotta find out if my mother get hurt. And anyhow she get hurt. Remember me tell you create a monster, and me I tell her this now. So you say if you make me walk out of this alive, different business than you and my mother get hurt. Now so watch and see where they go.
This has to be a joke. Look who is threatening me, big bad GeeGuh. Little pissy tail boy Brandon. Listen to me, Brandon. Better you go and go plan a funeral, man. And just call it a day. And just go and love Jah and live. Cause if you get me on my wrong side in Idelia, you literally just carry a strap come give me fully loaded in a 21 in a clip, you know. Wouldn't even waste my time and give you the whole 21. I one alone would arrest on your head side, man. And call it a day. So Brandon, just go on home. Go on home and give God thanks. So may I allow you to walk out of this place, sir. Brandon, for peace and safety. For peace here, I left my place.
Alright, big
Oh,
bad.
yeah.
Anything else?
With friends like these, who needs enemies? Never saw it coming, not from you. We were closer than blood, yeah, I thought it was true. Shared every secret, every scar, every dream. Now I'm questioning what any of it means. You were family and all, but name. Now every memory soaked in shame. Swore you stand by me through anything. Didn't know betrayal's what you bring. You played your part so perfectly. But behind my back you were rewriting me, yeah. With friends like these, who needs enemies? You took it all so easily, a brother and soul, but that goes in the end. Tell me, when did the loyalty bend? With friends like these, who needs enemies?
So, Mom, how did you enjoy our little time together at the mall? Did you like it? Me enjoy it, man. Me enjoy it. You know, Rachel, it feel good for come out of the house every once in a while and forgot church the whole bone them.
Oh, Mom. It was my pleasure to do that for you. And I really enjoy myself also. We should definitely do this more often.
Yes, my daughter, I really appreciate that we come out of the house more time. Whereas like how Brandon I go to Canada, you know. Loneliness kill me. So yes, I wouldn't mind if I come over more time and keep the old woman our company.
Oh, yes, Mama, for sure. I'll definitely be doing that.
All right, Rachel. But definitely I look forward to the liquor company when time my son gone.
Okay, Mom. Oh, look. We're back at home. Let me get out the car and assist you to your front door.
Thank you, Rachel. Thank you for walking me to the door, cause boy, the old bone them you can't manage, you know. The old bone them can't manage at all.
Jano star. So the man them really come on my mother place, come hurt my mother star. Jano star, look how my beg Rachel to come pick her up, man. And looking at my mother house. Look here, man, look here.
Brandon, my son, wanna go on, you come. You come for come look for your mommy. Wanna go on, you there? But lax, you see me dying trial. And what happened to my house? How who ransacked me also? Mighty God of Daniel. How want me here?
What in the world?
Yeah, me and say, man, Rachel, mommy, no worry on yourself, man. Everything good. You said the fact that the two are alright, the two are okay. No worry on yourself about that, man. I will get the place cleaned up, get everything sorted out back. Mommy, you're good. And everybody asks no question. Just know similar deal to this, alright? No worry yourself. Everything good.
Yeah, well, you know, so me there I wonder how me I gotta approach all the general with this side and how to make the man know say yo the little object never depend the end, so no dirty things never go on.
Then no simple one too that man I told man just make the general know so she never there one time we roll up. Just make him know say yo if anything we will give her a wide circle another day.
Easier said than done, you know. No, so that a logical way, boy, you have to remember, say, you know, a GeeGuh that you attack to, you know, I went time, them man, they plug out, you know, man, them man, they not ping straight, none at all logics can through the door, and I just badness at the other of the day, eh? So right, you know, the man head not stable, none at all, let's say from the like a jail thing, they go on, come like the man come out a different man, the man crass, me I tell you, come like the man and bun tickler, brother, Chano star. The man just crass, hungry, and miserable.
No, say it can't so hard for talk to the general, man. Here I go on. Make me go talk to the general myself. I easy one too that man, bat up and catch man. Me no see nothing too hard, not that to deal with. Yo, I got reason with the general and come back out on the front, come make you know I go on. That's it. My general wagwan. You know say I me a tool to mash up the little works that we send him pan the tool lang ako do. But when time we go pan the ends, we don't see the old man in the house none at all. So we just ransack up the house and shift around certain things. So when time she come back and say the house mash up, she must know say yo, a serious thing a go on, but yo my general, we can get her a white shirt and still, you know, and just deal with the dirt them time there, you know. Yeah. But yeah, see my boss. That sound good. So what that from a general? What that for? How I go on?
Listen to me, Juvenile. Now get me dark in idea, you know. Now bother make me have a rest all my glock in the head side and be risk that you know, Juvenile. Me did send you out. Me did send up on the works. Me have your size. Now bother go on like say I want to come size up with all the general in the little youth. Go on side and show that tool. Tell that tools if it come to me now.
Chando my general. Chando my general. So yeah, deal with the thing, my boss. My boss I just reason me whole reason with the and I tell you what go on in my boss. But alright my general, Mega shout that tool and make him come to head to you. Chano star my boss. Chano star rap tool me no know what go on with the general, you know. But I go around there and just a whole easy reason with the boss, you know, and I box the man, box me down I ground, you know. And drape me up and I deal with me a way and a tool. The man say, yo, him want to talk to still my boss, so I don't know what go on still in there, but yo, me have to go leg of this place and start call them disrespect yo as a little young juvenile. Me can't work with them thing and start. GeeGuh no start, but I told General say, want to talk to you still.
I did tell you, juvenile. I did tell you, but you need to listen. You feel like say you can go size up and go reason with the general when time you made plug out. It not work that way there. Years me there around the general, so me know how the man they operate when time they made plug out. Right now and I time for that man. A good youth different they still You see when him in a cool, calm and collective manner. You can't approach him by any angle, man. From any angle, talk about any little thing and him good, you see me. But you see when the man they plug out, I trade corruption them under the pan, man. Nobody at all no safe around him. So I walk around there still. You hear what I say. But me nah go around there empty-handed. Nah go around there empty-handed because me nah take no disrespect. Me nah go around there strap. Yo, my general, the juvenile just come back say I shout me. What I go on my boss.
Yo, what do? But I get no smart ideas. Even but I think about touching our waist. But here I say, I send you upon our works. And it's like a juvenile I send for come report back to me about works of me send upon. You know, say I disrespect that youth. You know, say you forget all your face, licking in a morning after that. Size I want them little boy to come size up next thing you know them boy they go try off a man. But nah youth, nobody drop them ball and nobody drop them catch them man. So what go on? What go on with Brandon brother? Oh, me no hear nothing at all on the news. Oh, me no see on the spot on my views. What go on with that? That I wouldn't want to know.
With friends like these, who needs enemies? Never saw it coming, not from you. We were closer than blood, yeah, I thought it was true. Shared every secret, every scar, every dream. Now I'm questioning what any of it mean. You were family and all, but name. Now every memory soaked in shame. Swore you stand by me through anything. Didn't know betrayal's what you'd bring. You played your part so perfectly, but behind my back you were rewriting me. With friends like